Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm excited to bring you guys an unboxing of the RTX 3060 by GeForce, and this is an AIB version by Asus, and it's their TUF Gaming version. Alright, without further ado, let's get the unboxing started. First of all, let's have a look at the box. So pretty standard boxing, you know, like there's nothing too special about it. Gaming OC, 12 gigs of VRAM. I would have really loved 12 gigs or even 10 gigs on their RTX 3060 Ti, 3070 and 3080. All right, so this is the back. So it just talks about the cooling, the rig, how it's structured, durability wise as well, and software. Their TUF lineup has been plagued for a while, so hopefully this will be improved. Let's do the testings. Okay, so I've opened this up slightly so to make the unboxing a bit quicker, and I'm not spending half an hour just trying to take stickers off. Now, even though it's like a very basic entry-level card, it's very nice to see they haven't given it just a really bland cardboard box. They've given it a nice black cardboard box with a gold Asus written on it, and I don't know if you guys can see how it's got all these little Asuses like written everywhere. All right, let's get this box, and it's got like a nice feel to it as well. Like it's got a really nice feel. All right, let's get this box opened up now for you guys. Okay, so this is different. Okay, these little cutouts, normally they don't, I've never seen a cutout for GPUs, so that's really nice to see. Next part is very simple. You've got the GPU, and well, you get some paperwork for a change. Okay, and it's got the, what's it's got? So it's got the TUF Gaming overclocking, heat dispensing, whatnot. Okay, and it's got a certificate of reliability. Okay, so it just goes through the capacitors, the choke and MOSFETs. It's got a warranty card as well. All right, not that you really need that in Australia. It's got a little thank you. Okay, that's nice to see. Thank you for purchasing an Asus graphic card. I love Asus as a company, but their TUF lineup of late has let me down a little bit with their cooling and how everything's paired up. Now, what's this? So this is your graphic card. Okay, so this just tells you a little bit about the installation and in different languages. All right, so let's get that out of the way. All right, let's get this boy back in here into the, okay. All right, so there's a little hole as well, so you can like just poke your finger and pull this out, so you can see there's paperwork back there as well. Okay, so it's got a little sticker thing here. Does it open from this side, or? Yeah, it does. So just this little sticker holding it together. Alrighty, let's give this guy a look, shall we? All right, so nice, beautiful little card here. All right, so looking through it, so it's got 3 fans. Okay, so again, 2 fans that way, 1 fan this way, so just to disperse the fan. So okay, wow, look at that, those cutouts, guys. That's where all the ventilation will come out from. It's got a 8-pin power connector. Okay, not that you'll need more on these little cards here. It's got 2 HDMIs, 1, 2, 3 display ports, which is well and truly more than enough. Okay, and that's the back. Okay, so it's got protective film everywhere. It's got all these cutouts, okay, to keep everything nice and cool, so the air can blow through it. Okay, so from the fans. Okay, and the fans are, yep, they're really nice as well. Okay, it's got cutouts here as well to dissipate heat. It's got a nice aggressive look over here as well. Okay, okay, look at that, guys. So there's a nice cutout here to let heat out as well. I'm not too sure what I feel like it. So I appreciate these cutouts a lot, okay? Because realistically, this is where it's sticking out of your PC and you want the air to come out, okay? I also appreciate this side as well, really well, because that'll just be sitting here. Your motherboard will be here, your CPU and your RAMs will be here. So this will, unless if you've got it vertically mounted, okay? So this will dissipate heat and then the fans would hopefully blow it out, okay? I'm not too sure about this side, you know, because this is the side that'll sit towards the GPU and RAMs. So I appreciate these cutouts, but I love that the cutouts are more on this end, because that end you kind of miss the CPU and you don't just it to the CPU and go, hey, here you deal with this, okay? So it's got a little bit of RGB, not too much, okay? And there's LED here as well. And yeah, that's basically it. Very impressive little card, okay? And it's got a little cover as well. That's always nice to see, to cover the PCIe Express, okay? You don't want it to get just completely ruined by that. Okay, and what about switches? So it's got a little switch here, and this is always really nice to see, guys. So well marked, didn't take them too long, you know? Like I just did a review of the Sapphire Nitro Plus in a RX 6700 XT and had nothing, like literally nothing written there. So if you forgot and you just needed to quickly switch, no idea, okay? So it's on performance mode now. You can put it on quiet mode just by doing that and you remember it, you know? Even a P and a Q would have been nice on that card, but some card, and that just shows you like little attention to detail, you know? So they're really nice card. All right, guys, I'm self-funded. Everything is done by me. I work really hard to get these graphic cards out to you guys. This bad boy cost me nearly 1,000 Aussie dollars. Okay, so if you guys want to see more of this stuff and you appreciate it, you can show that appreciation just by giving this channel a like, and you can also subscribe, and that'll help out a lot as well. I've got Instagram, Patreon, TikTok, and Twitter as well. Please do follow me on there as well for behind the scenes and support as well. So other than that, the main way you can support me is just by subscribing, giving it a like, other people can find it, and obviously sharing it around. I really appreciate you guys sticking to the end. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye-bye.